my friends, this is Nestor Didome here, and I wanted to show you the tool that I take everywhere, especially when I'm driving in the car. I try not to waste any time. I try not to, waste basically any time. And when you're driving, it's just basically like you're sitting there, like you're just sitting there in your sofa in the house. And yeah, it's great, listening to music once in a while, but most of the time, I will say 99% of the time, I'm using this. I'm using this right here, and I'm listening in to audiobooks. And I also use it when I'm in the gym. I use it basically downtime. You call it downtime, where you're not doing anything by just not really concentrating your brain on anything, right? You're just like you're just driving. You're kind of just staring into the front and the street. You're not really doing anything. So I take my little iPad all over the place, and that's what I listen to. So, but more importantly is that that's building your mindset. And one of the subjects that I wanted to kind of take in today is basically something that is very important, that in this book, which is The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, is talking about. And I have the audiobook right here, so I love that book. I got that book several years ago, and I read it I don't even know how many times, and the audio actually I've listened to way more than I actually read the book. And right there is talking about this concept, which is a blueprint. And everybody has a mental blueprint that was installed in ourselves, and it's changing throughout the years. It's always changing throughout the years. But this money blueprint that it calls is basically what tells you what you think about money and how you handle money and what your decisions about money are gonna be. And depending on what you have in this blueprint are basically what you're gonna decide on to do or to decide on when it comes to money. And so how this money blueprint comes to exist is based on what you learned and what you were taught when you were a kid and as you grew up. But most of the heavy stuff that was installed in this money blueprint were installed when you were a kid, and those are the beliefs that you carried on as you grew up. So like one of the things that I hear a lot, and it's something that I believe is we need to change this belief, is when they say something like is money important, right? I mean, have you heard that? I've heard it a lot of times, and I heard a lot of people say that money is not important, right? And a lot of people are always saying, oh, money is not important. But usually the people who say that money is not important are usually pretty much broke. They're pretty much broke. And even if they, like, let's say they have a big house and they have a big car or something because they have a nice career or something, they usually broke in the sense that they live paycheck to paycheck, right? If they lose that job, that's it. They lose everything. So they usually, sometimes they say, oh no, money's not important. But if you think money's not important right now, I mean, you can still change that, right? You can still change that right there and make it important, because just think about it. Think about it. If you think money's not important, if you think things are not important, basically, let's say if you think your spouse is not important, or you think that your family is not important, or you think whatever, having a car is not important, do you think that you'll have that stuff in your life, right? Because if you tell your spouse, hey, you're not important, most likely you'll get a divorce or something, right? If you don't think a car is important, then you most likely won't have one, right? If you think anything that you think is not important, most likely you won't have in your life. So the same thing comes with money, because if you're thinking that it's not important in your mind, basically you won't have it. You'll feel bad if you have it. So you'll probably try to get rid of it. But so what we need to do, because money is important, right? It buys us food, it feeds our family, it pays for the rent or the house, it pays for our clothes that we have, the gas that we use in our cars. So money is important, right? When it comes to those aspects. So that's something that is very important when it comes to your money blueprint. And once you start to read or listen to the audio or both, you'll start understanding, all this concept of money and of the concept of the millionaire mind and how it works. But I do encourage you to buy the book. Is A Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. But T. Harv Eker, sorry. And basically, you'll start learning how to change that money blueprint, because when you do, extraordinary things will happen. It talks about how that money blueprint is preventing you right now from actually having the success you want, from actually having the type of money that you deserve. But with that, you have to understand that you have, like me, I have a millionaire mind. And when you get to read that book, you'll understand more about why we do this. People who read this book, you always want to do that. But go and get that book. I encourage you to read it. It's something that it'll blow your mind. It's been blowing my mind. It's been changing my lifestyle. It's been changing the way that I think, and especially the way that I think about money. Because sometimes the way you think about stuff, your mindset does stop you. It does stop you from reaching a lot of the goals. Because if you sometimes, even though you can tell yourself, hey, you know what, I want to be a millionaire, or I want to be earning $1,000 a month or something, it stops you if it goes against your morals, or your inner blueprint. It'll stop you. You'll find out a way to make it not happen. You'll find a way to make a mistake or something, and it won't happen. But with that, guys, if you did like this video, I encourage you to share it, like it, and comment like all the time. So with that, make it a great day, guys. Keep on moving. Let's change our money blueprints and find success. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next video.